everyone. Welcome to our SailPoint Bootcamp. In this video, I'll be guiding you how to install MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench. So for this, you can just go into the Windows installation or your downloaded folder inside software for Windows. And here you can see database server. And this is one installer software which I got from MySQL web community. Just double click on it, or what you can do is that just go into your downloaded folder. From that downloaded folder inside software for Windows, you can just go into database server and just click on this installer application. So click on yes, click on yes. So it begins the installer. Click on yes, it won't matter actually. Okay, now it begins the process of installing MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench. So these are the options that you can choose for setting up MySQL Server. So just click on custom and click on next, and these are the available products. And from these available products, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna install MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench. So if you just go back into the list of application which I suggested you to install, here you can see that we're gonna install MySQL Server, which is version 5.7.35. So just go on here, click on this plus sign, click on 5.7, and from here you can just select 5.7.35. 5.7.35. So this x64 means it's for 32-bit computer, and x86 means it's for oh sorry, x86 means it's for your 32-bit, and x64 it means for your 64-bit laptop. So just click on this one depending upon your choice and click on this arrow. Similarly, you have to install MySQL Workbench. So click on this plus sign, click on it, and the version you're gonna install is Microsoft Workbench 8.0.26. So from this list you will click on 8.2.6 and click on this arrow. So now it's going to install these two products on our local machine. Click on next, click on next, and these two MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench will be ready for download and will be installed in our laptop. So click on execute. Now the download is in progress. Click on next, and it's ready for installation. Click on execute. Now click on next, next. So here you don't need to do anything more, so just click on next. So right now, like we are at type and networking page, so no changes are required for this page. Click on next. So here the default account MySQL Server has is root, ROOT. So just put the current password as a small case root, that is ROOT root. So we're just gonna put the password as ROOT, all small case, as shown here, root, and you can click on check. So it's okay. So for the default account root, the password we set is ROOT root, all in a small case, and click on next. Just type anything up with an by appending SailPoint at the end. It won't matter much, but it's just a distinction it's gonna make later in our installation progress or process. So just keep the Windows service name by appending dash SailPoint at the end of the MySQL 5.7. Click on next and click on execute. So it's gonna install all the configurations that we have just made, and it will have a default root account with the password as root root. So this will install everything. So click on finish, click on next, click on finish. So with this we have completed the installation of MySQL Server, MySQL Workbench. Now I have just executed or run the Windows to get MySQL Workbench. So this is the default connection that was defined during the time of installation. So just double click on it and it will ask for the password for the default account, that is root. So just enter the password as root root, and you can even click on this save so that you don't have to enter the password again. Click on OK. So once this is done, you can verify or validate whether the MySQL server is up and running or not. So on this instance section, there is one uh, tab or quick link called Startup or Shutdown. Click on this. So here we can see that our MySQL server is running. So it gives us the confirmation that our MySQL server is running. So that's all in this video. So this video guided you on installing the MySQL server and MySQL Workbench, and after installation we were also able to validate whether our MySQL server is up and running or not. So this is a way how you install MySQL server and MySQL Workbench, and the default account is root and the password for that is also root. So that's all in this video. Thank you.